Modern style of monkey jizo. Once upon a time, there was a mysterious jizo called Jizo in a small village. He took the form of an old monkey and was said to have the power to listen to the wishes of the villagers around him. However, the people of the village did not like the appearance of Jizo-sama very much, and they were chased by daily business and completely forgot about it. One day, young people in the village decided to open a new cafe, and they were busy promoting it on SNS. Although they learned about the existence of the monkey jizo as the jizo who brings happiness, they were only out of curiosity. So they went to the place where the monkey jizo was and decided to take pictures. However, at that moment, Jizo suddenly began to move and spoke to the young people. "I want to make your wishes come true, but I need a little help. If you want to borrow my help, please be sincere." The young people lightly passed the words, but immediately after the opening of the cafe, troubles are after another. The product does not arrive, the computer is broken, and even temporarily closed due to bad weather. They were impatient and at a loss. At that time, one of the young people suddenly remembered that the villagers made a wish to the monkey jizo. "We really want Jizo-sama to help us. The moment I made a wish from the bottom of my heart, Jizo appeared in front of me again. You brought your heart. I'll help you. However, it is important that what you offer in the store is really from the heart." Young people once again realized the importance of the dishes and drinks they are making with all their heart, and they did not rely only on SNS and advertising, but created a menu using local ingredients. As a result, the people of the village gradually noticed their efforts, and the cafe flourished. After that, Jizo occasionally appeared in front of young people, sometimes giving advice and sometimes with humor. Together with the monkey jizo, they continued the shop with sincerity, and the entire village regained its bustle. In this way, Jizo continues to be loved by people as a treasure of the village and as a spiritual support for young people.